Dear students, today we will discuss the FMO approach in 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Already we have discussed 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction and some introduction about FMO approach we have already discussed. In today's lecture, we will discuss the 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction by using FMO approach. So this is a 4 component system butadiene, and this is a two component system CH2 CH2. It is a two component system. Okay, for FMO approach we will consider the HOMO of a system, HOMO of a system and LUMO of a system. Okay, that is, there are, for this system there are two possible interactions. First, we will consider HOMO of butadiene and LUMO of ethene or ethylene. Second possibility, we will consider the first possibility. Okay, this is the first possibility, HOMO of this butadiene and LUMO of this ethylene system. And second possibility is a LUMO of butadiene. Okay, LUMO of butadiene and HOMO of ethylene. HOMO of ethylene. Let us discuss both the possibilities. First possibility is a HOMO of diene and LUMO of dienophile. LUMO of dienophile. Okay, this is our diene system and plus dienophile. Ethylene is our dienophile. This is dienophile and this is the diene system. Okay, in this we firstly consider as a HOMO of diene and LUMO of dienophile. Already we have known that how to construct the molecular diagram of these diene and dienophiles. Okay, therefore dienes there are the psi1, psi2, psi3 star and the psi4 star orbital is possible. We have already discussed psi1, psi2, psi3 and psi4 star, psi3 star. There are electrons. Okay, two electrons for this system. Okay, for this pi, two electrons, and for this pi there are two electrons. Okay, therefore totally four electron. We ground state filled two electrons. The next orbital we have filled two electrons, and next two are incomplete filled up. Correct. Second diagram for dienophile we can draw here. Okay, for dienophiles there are only psi1 and psi2 star orbital is possible. Psi1 and psi2 star orbital is possible. And number of electrons, for there are only pi bond, therefore two electron is there. Therefore at the ground state we have filled two electrons. Okay, first case we have considered HOMO of diene. Okay, therefore HOMO means the higher occupied molecular orbitals. Okay, this is a diene system diagram for diene system molecular orbital diagram, and this is a higher occupied molecular orbital for diene. Okay, psi2. Okay, psi2 is HOMO for diene. Correct. Next, for this ethylene molecule or dienophile molecule. Okay, in this case, lower unoccupied molecular orbital we have considered. This is filled one. Okay, this orbital is filled one, and this is unfilled. Therefore, this unfilled electron there is no filling, no any electron is present. Therefore, this is the lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore, psi2 star is lower unoccupied molecular orbitals. Correct, or that is the dienophile. Okay, The first case is we have consider as a thermally induced reaction. Okay, thermally induced reaction, no excitation of electrons takes place. No excitation of electrons takes place. Okay, let us draw Psi2 for dying. Okay, we have draw Psi2 system for dying. Psi2 means there is a node is the 1. Okay, therefore at center we have given the nodes positive, negative, positive, and negative. Node is there, negative, positive, negative, positive. Its symmetry is the C2 symmetry because this negative, negative will obtain positive, positive, negative, negative, and the positive. Okay, center of symmetry. And second one is the Psi2 star for dinophile. Okay, this is for dinophile system, dinophile LUMO, and this is the dine homo of dine. Okay, this is the homo of dine. This is the LUMO of dinophile. Also, one node is there. Okay, for Psi2 star, one node is there. Positive, negative, positive. First we write, and the positive, negative. Okay, therefore, in this case also there is C2 symmetry is there. Correct. There is a there is a at this case there is bonding is possible, negative, negative, and positive, positive bonding is possible. Okay, this is also bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, this is a BM. Okay, bonding interaction. Okay, instead of BM is not. This is a bonding interaction. Bonding interaction because positive, positive is there. It is also bonding interaction. Okay, therefore in this case phase is correct or positive will that is a 4 suprafacial and 2 suprafacial. Okay, therefore phase correct for bonding, therefore symmetry allowed reaction. Okay, therefore 4s and 2s is thermally allowed reaction. Second case, in second case, we consider LUMO of dyne and HOMO of dinophile. Okay, all right. Okay, in second case, for dyne, which will be the lower unoccupied molecule, lower unoccupied orbital. For this case, Psi3 is the lower unoccupied molecule because at this case no electron is there. Therefore, it is a unoccupied molecular orbital. Therefore, lower unoccupied molecule. Okay, dyne for dyne, Psi3 star is LUMO. For dinophile, Psi1 is the HOMO. Okay, for dinophile, Psi1 is a HOMO. Okay, Psi3 star we can draw the orbitals. The number of nodes for Psi3 is the 2. Positive, negative node is there, negative, positive, negative, positive node is there, positive, negative. Psi1 in this case no node, therefore negative, negative, positive, positive. Okay, therefore in this case there is a mirror plane of symmetry. In this case there is a mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, bonding interaction is possible, bonding interaction is possible. Okay, phase is correct, positive, positive interact, positive, positive interact. Phases is okay. 4 suprafacial and 2 suprafacial addition is possible here. Correct, therefore phase is correct for bonding. Symmetry allowed process. Okay, therefore it is symmetry allowed process. Therefore 4s and 2s is thermally allowed cycloaddition reaction. Okay, this is all about the thermal induced 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Second, photo induced reaction. Okay, 4 plus 2 photo induced reaction. Okay, in this case there is a interaction always takes place between excited state HOMO of dyne and ground state LUMO of dynophile. Okay, excited state HOMO of dyne and ground state LUMO of dynophile, or vice versa. Okay, there are two possibilities again for 4 plus 2 system. Okay, possible interaction first is excited state HOMO dyne for dyne and ground state LUMO for dynophile. Okay, excited state for this is for HOMO we have to consider, and for dynophile we consider LUMO. Second possibility, LUMO for dyne and excited state HOMO. Okay, remember that always consider the for excited state HOMO, excited state HOMO. Okay, let us draw these diagram. First case we will consider the HOMO of dyne and ground state LUMO of dynophile. Okay, where butadiene is excited by light. Okay, if suppose butadiene is there and it get excited, its HOMO becomes the Psi3 star. Okay, let us draw the diagram for this system. Psi1, Psi2, Psi3 star and Psi4 star are the molecular orbitals. Psi1, Psi2, Psi3 star and Psi4 star. Okay, its excitation takes place, therefore 2 electrons, total 4 electrons for this. Okay, for this pi 2 electrons, for this type pi 2 electrons, total 4 electrons, but from this one of the electron get excited. Okay, from this to this excited due to the photo light is accepted by the molecule and get excited. Okay, therefore this is our higher occupied molecular orbital for dyne. For second molecule, dynophile. For dynophile, we will consider the positive negative and negative positive, Psi1 and Psi2 star. Okay, for this we will consider the 2 electron is there, is filled and no excitation is there, and that is considered the LUMO. Psi2 star is the LUMO. Correct. Alright. Now we will draw the HOMO of excited state dyne, that is positive. Okay, Psi3 two node is there, positive negative positive negative positive positive negative. Okay, this is our HOMO, that is excited state butadiene. Okay, Psi3 star our HOMO, therefore 2 node is there, and for this Psi2 is our for ethylene molecule. So this Psi2 is our Psi2 star is our LUMO. So for dynophile we consider the, it is not excited molecule, correct. Okay, there is bonding interaction, but this is not bonding interaction. Okay, this is a phase is not correct. Okay, this negative and positive will not combine, that is we consider as a phase not correct. Okay, therefore this is a symmetry orbital reaction, correct. And also the symmetry for this mirror plane of symmetry and for the C2 symmetry. Therefore, there is no symmetry is also not matched. Therefore, this reaction is the not possible. Therefore, 4q plus 2 electron H mu is not allowed reaction. Okay, this is thermally allowed reaction. Okay, from this we have derived the selection rule for cycloaddition reaction. Correct. Number of electron system, then mode of activation, then allowed stereochemistry. 4q system and 4q plus 2 system. Correct. This is the photochemical reaction, allowed reaction. It's thermal allowed reaction, and supra allowed, and thermally supra allowed. Okay, if system is 4q, then photochemically supra allowed, and if system is 4q plus 2, then thermally supra allowed. Okay, that is the selection rule for 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, this is all about the APM approach for the 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Thank you very much.